Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. When they ultimately did give an award, there was no sanction in the existing legislation, with the result that there have been instances of floating of awards. If this new machinery is added to the existing legislation, it is bound to be utilized to delay justice, which is already delayed. The other day I spoke on the labor relations bill and I pointed out certain defects, but all the same I supported the structural principles of the bill, as I felt that it registered a substantial improvement on the present legislation. Now the appellate tribunal forms a chapter of the labor relations bill, and the best policy would have been to consider these provisions in regard to appellate tribunals, having in view the either concept of labor management relationship as convinced in the labor relations bill. It will then be possible to judge in the first place whether appellate tribunals are necessary, and if so, to what extent it is desirable to give them powers, and to what extent to have their scope broadened or narrowed down. Now, taking it a leaf out of the old thing and putting it to the statute book is bound to create a most unfavorable psychological atmosphere in the country. It has been stated that as a matter of urgency, the appellate tribunal will should be proceeded with. But I submit that even if it may be considered that it is an important matter to which I do not agree, all the same there are equally important, if not more important, matters, and I fail to understand why equal anxiety is not being demonstrated in regard to those matters. For instance, there are persistent cases of floating of awards and challenge to the authority of law. Speaking on the labor relations bill, I surveyed the situation in other countries in order to refresh my memory. In the course of the last few days, I looked into the labor legislations of other countries. For the information of the House, I may say that I did not come across any machinery equivalent to that of the appellate tribunal either in the UK or the USA. It may be said that in those two countries there is no system of compulsory adjudication. When I turned my attention to those countries where the system of compulsory adjudication is prevalent, namely Australia and New Zealand, even there I did not come across any system of appellate tribunal. The only part of the world where there is a system of appellate tribunal of Latin America, but even there, although there is the appellate tribunal, its scope is limited. Full stop.